9-0, one of the most well-known addresses in Karachi, was once home to Altaf Hussain. From this modest building are operated the gears and levers of the formidable MQM machine. Clearly, size does not matter. Haris Tawheed takes a look at the workings of the MQM's political castle.
This is what happens 24/7 inside one of the most well-known addresses of Karachi. 9-0, a bastion of MQM Spa, a place where resides the heart and soul of one of the most well-organized political parties in Pakistan, a place which is revered by its supporters and feared by its opponents. Situated in a relatively lower middle-class neighborhood of Azizabad, back in the late 70s, 9-0 was home to a young political activist, Altaf Hussain, who later became the founder of the Muhajir Qawmi movement.
This room used to be a waiting room. Nothing has been changed. Everything like it used to be.
When the founder of the party went into exile, the place became more than his former home. It became a symbol.
9-0 is a place for expressing solidarity with the leadership, with the party, by the workers. A place which continuously reminds us of the history of the party.
As time passed by, the party grew, and so did the place known as 9-0. Guarded by 100 security personnel round the clock, 9-0 today includes the original house, the MPA hostel, Begum Khurshid Hall, and a workforce of almost 1,000. And Chef Riaz is a busy man.
1400 आदमियों का खाना बनता है दोनों टाइम। तो 9-10 बजे यहाँ पहुँचते हैं और अपनी तैयारी शुरू कर देते हैं। रात में 9-10 बजे अपने यहाँ से बाईजगढ़ से जाते हैं।
Although the actual 9-0 remains deserted today, the place once used to be packed with visitors.
There were a lot of people come with the grievances, and they, Mr. Altaf Hussain sometimes come out from the residence, and he took the applications, and immediately things happen over there.
Every day around 500 people still visit 9-0 with their problems. But now the place to go is the two-story Begum Khurshid Hall.
We live here, we spend most of the time here. We like other office bearers of different wings in the party.
And who could forget the famous Bajis who come every day in the afternoon to run the women's wing.
देखिए सेंट्रल कमेटी जो है रिसेप्शन पे भी बैठे, कंप्यूटर पे भी देखे, और यही साथ उठने कमेटी जो होती है उसको मैनेज करती है, इलाकों में भी जाती है.
It was this women's wing that took care of 9-0 during the military operations against the party in 1992.
हमने अपना घर छोड़ा और हमने यहाँ वक्त गुजारा, इसलिए कि हमारे भाई तो सारे जाहिर गिरफ्तार हो गए थे, रोपोश हो गए थे, फिर जाहिर हम थे, हमारी शुबह ख्वातीन की बाजियाँ थी, सब यहीं पर रहते थे हम.
Today, with elections around the corner, the election cell here has its hands full.
पाकिस्तान भर के जितने इलेक्शन के मामलात हैं, हमारे तमाम पाकिस्तान से उम्मीदवार खड़े हुए हैं सूबाई और कौमी के, वो तमाम इन्हीं से डील करते हैं. फिर
From a modest residence to a political castle, 9-0 has stood witness to the changing fortunes of the MQM. Party leaders believe the best is yet to come.
Today most of the people come from Karachi and interior Sindh. Maybe tomorrow people from all over Pakistan.
With cameraman Hassan Iqbal, Haris Tawheed, Geo News, Karachi.